Hello. Today I will show you how to easily sign up for the rising global exchange, OrangeX. You can find the discount links for each exchange in the link tree, so please check it out. Let's get started right away. Step 1. Click the official sign-up link. You don't need to search complicatedly. Just click the link below to be redirected to a safe sign-up page with benefits applied. Second, please proceed in the following order. On the screen that appears after clicking the account creation link, please enter your email or phone number. Please enter a secure password that mixes letters, numbers, and special characters. Please check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Please check that the referral code is between 0 and 100. Your registration will be completed once you enter the 6-digit verification code sent via email or text. The following is the KYC identity verification process. You must complete KYC verification for smooth deposit and withdrawal transactions. Click on Identity Verification, Verify Now, Individual KYC, Verify Now. Enter the country and name, as well as the protagonist's date of birth and name. Select the type of identification and enter the identification number. Take a photo of the front and back of the identification, and you upload a selfie by recording a video for about 3 to 10 seconds. Registration is complete. Additionally, you can set up Google OTP. You can receive discounts for signing up at other exchanges through this link. Cryptocurrency trading carries risks, so please make sure to do your research before proceeding. Thank you.